The 2026 Honda Prelude is a hybrid sports coupe that will most likely go on sale in the United States in 2026. The 2026 Prelude will be Honda's latest addition to the lineup, replacing the Civic and Accord coupes that have been discontinued. The 2026 Honda Prelude style is attractive, and it appears just like a 21st century Prelude. The powertrain and mechanical features are subtle, anticipated to share components with the Honda Civic and the Honda Accord models, and Honda assures it will provide a good driving experience. The Prelude is a new model in Honda's lineup that will replace the Civic and Accord coupe models that were discontinued, despite the name sound familiar. The Honda Prelude is expected to compete with other cheap sports cars, such as the Toyota GR86 and Mazda MX-5 Miata. The interior of the 2026 Honda Prelude is spacious and comfortable, with a 2+2 arrangement with space for 4 heated and cooled seats, a carbon fiber instrument panel, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and luxurious leather upholstery. The touring model has a panoramic sunroof, a 10-speed automatic transmission, a quality sound system, and adjustable suspension for a comfortable ride. The back seats can be folded to expand the cargo space, which is modest at around 10 cubic feet. Honda has only revealed that the Prelude concept car features a hybrid powertrain. The Prelude is expected to be powered by a hybrid system, similar to that seen in Honda cars, such as the CR-V, Accord, and the upcoming 2025 Civic Hybrid. The Accord generates 204 horsepower from its hybrid system, which incorporates a 2.0-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine. But given its performance promises, we anticipate that the Prelude will produce more power. Honda hybrids are normally very economical. Thus, the Prelude's operating costs should be pretty cheap. The midsize Accord hybrid, for example, can score up to 48 miles per gallon combined, providing a range of more than 600 miles. The Prelude, which is anticipated to be a regular hybrid instead of a plug-in hybrid, is not likely to have a full electric driving range.